Hey everyone! Right now, we're going to pick the winner of the Science Serum Eye Tight. Right now, and then we'll start the video.
So this is how we do it. I put the link of the video in that space, and then I press the start button. That's whose name came out. Shirley Eads. Congratulations, Shirley!
So, congratulations to the winner. Please get in touch with me and I will send you out your gift. Whew, I have so much to show you right here. This whole area is just so loaded with stuff. It's got stuff all over it. First I'll show you what was sent to me and then I'll show you what I bought. Clarence sent me this through Octoly and I have been using it and I just love it. It's nice. It's a milky, velvety cleansing milk with Alpine Gold, Gentian, and lemon balm extracts. Anti-pollution, and it is really nice. It foams up nice. Oop, too much. So you put this on your face. You could use this as a second cleanser or first. And you see it gets like a white, filmy, foamy lather. And it works good. It's an exceptionally gentle cleansing experience that melts away makeup, impurities, and pollutants while boosting hydration. Definitely boosts hydration. And preserving the skin's natural microbiota even after it is rinsed or wiped off for a soft, radiant, healthy looking complexion. And I just removed it from my hand, and I have to say, this feels like it's still on. It feels very hydrated, very hydrated. And it also, Clarence Innovation and Natural Plant-Based Breakthrough. It's got organic golden gentian and organic lemon balm extracts that soothe and soften the skin for an ultra gentle cleansing experience. Moringa extract gently dissolves makeup and pollutants, and plant-infused formula boosts hydration and preserves the skin microbiota for a healthy-looking complexion. Research results texture upon application 99% soft, 98% comforting, 97% creamy. This is a really nice, gentle cleanser if you're interested in a milky, lathery, hydrating cleanser. Very good. Thank you, Clarence. I have one more thing that was sent to me. It's Saturday Skin 10% glycolic. This pore clarifying toner helps to smooth and refine your skin's appearance with an effective dose of 10% glycolic acid. The Pore Control Complex targets pore concerns with a blend of ingredients that help improve the look of balanced, clear skin. Look at this pretty bottle. It's like pink going up to clear. It's a glass bottle. It is 10% glycolic. I swear by glycolic acid. If you're looking for a good glycolic acid, Saturday Skin is a wonderful, wonderful company. Look, I have some brown spots, so I would put it there. Just apply it every night. Apply gently to a cleansed face with a cotton pad. There's two products that I swear by, and that is tretinoin, retin-A, and glycolic acid for your skin. This will remove and keep removing and removing the dead skin, and it'll keep your skin bright and clear. It is just amazing. And being that this has 10%, that's one of the high doses, either 10 or 12%, is a great amount to keep your skin looking vibrant, really. I swear by glycolic, and this has got it. Thank you, Saturday Skin. This was sent to me through the Octoly network from Saturday Skin. Now, if you're over 50, you need to take calcium. And sometimes, we can't stand to swallow the calcium pills. I can't. So I bought calcium gummies, and I already went through a whole container I have 2 more containers. I bought 3, and I'll try to find you that link. And let me show you what they look like. They taste delicious. They are watermelon and natural blueberry, strawberry, and watermelon flavors and other natural flavors. And plus they have vitamin D3, so that it will absorb better. And here they are. And I always preach to you about calcium. That nobody ever told me, no doctors ever told me, no pharmacists, no friends, nobody. I don't think anybody really knows. But that calcium comes in all different kinds of calcium. Calcium caltrate makes me want to vomit. I just am so nauseous. Even when I take it with food, I stopped taking calcium for years because it was just making me sick. And then because I love to do research and Google things and get in deeper, I found calcium citrate. So 2 in the morning and 2 at night of these. 2 is 500 milligrams. If you take 2 in the morning and 2 at night, you have enough calcium for the day. And these are made with citrate. They are called Citracal. They are made with calcium citrate. If you are nauseous from calcium pills, look for calcium citrate. If you are nauseous taking vitamins, it's probably the calcium caltrate that's in it. So calcium caltrate makes me nauseous. Citrate doesn't. These are citrate, and they are very, very good. Excellent. Okay. Oh, I have to show you this. You know I've been telling you about this conditioner for many, many years. It's called Faria. It's by Faria, and it's the conditioner, the actual conditioner that they have in the box of hair dye. They have made a packaging for the public just to buy it alone. Well, I don't know if it's discontinued, but it's very hard to find right now. So I have been doing some research for you, and I have bought several conditioners. And the only one I liked is the one I'm going to show you now. As much as I love the Aussie shampoo that smells like juicy fruit gum, I love it. I get a rush. I love it. I don't like the conditioner. It doesn't do anything. And I use the moist Aussie. But the moist conditioner, you would think it would do something? No. So I said, what makes my conditioner so special? By Faria. It's because it detangles. It just, you could put a thin comb right through your hair. It's amazing. I had to do some searching because I can't keep telling you about a product that isn't available anymore. So I found this product. It is called, it's got the cutest name. It's Aunt Jackie's Not on My Watch. Not K-N-O-T. Not on My Watch. It's an instant detangling conditioner. No mineral oil, no petroleum. It softens, helps restore moisture balance, eliminates knots and tangles for natural curls, coils, and waves. Enriched with shea butter and olive oil. Instead of fighting your hair, treat it to the silky slip of Aunt Jackie's special detangling and moisturizing remedy. Watch the comb glide through tangles and knots with ease. That's just what I told you. And that's what Aunt Jackie said. Unruly hair tangles and knots don't stand a chance against Aunt Jackie's Not on My Watch. It eliminates tangles, restores hair, moisture balance while protecting against breakage. Blended with shea butter and olive oil to soften and strengthen hair, this fantastic detangling remedy makes daily combing, styling, and overall manageability a snap. This product contains no petroleum, no mineral oil, keeping hair from feeling oily and weighed down. I approve it. I do approve it. Oh, and it smells so good. Oh, I don't know what, if that's fruity or that's spa-like. Wow, it really does smell good. And that's part of the fun of putting stuff on your hair. You want it to smell good, give you a little experience. So I really like it. So you could comb right through it. You don't have to wait. Just put it on. You can comb right through it. It's great. If you've got kids, nieces, and for yourself, this is the closest I've gotten to a good conditioner. We're going to go into the kitchen section now. Let me just put up this emoji. All right. I'm not actually going to cook, but I'm going to tell you something about some food. These mashed potatoes that say Buttery Home Style by Idahoan, they are amazing. All you do is microwave some water and put it into a cup or a bowl with this mashed potato flakes. You don't need butter, you don't need oil, you don't need milk, you don't need cream, you don't need cheese. It just tastes delicious, okay? And you could actually get the small envelopes at the Dollar Tree. And I don't know if Target has it or what supermarket is in your state, but check these out. Check it out. It's such a quick meal. You just make some protein and you make these potatoes really fast. It's a great meal. Also, this is what I have been hooked on for the past year, I think. I've been getting these at Target. I buy 4 or 5 boxes at a time because I eat one a day, sometimes 2. But these are the fruit twister made with real fruit and milk. This is the peach, raspberry, and vanilla swirl. So it's got a little bit of milk to take away the iciness, and it's not too much milk. It's just a little bit, and even though I'm lactose intolerant, this works fine. And I'll put an insert here of these. These are just so delicious and so cute. Everybody loves them. They come in another flavor too. Blueberry, raspberry, and something else. Strawberry. But this one really is my favorite, although I do like both of them. Peach, vanilla, and raspberry. Another thing that I bought in Marshall's, and when I tasted it and saw how delicious it was and how great it was, I went online. I bought these on Amazon. I have a link for you. This is 16 grams of protein pancakes. 16 grams of protein. All you do is mix it with water. It is the easiest breakfast to make or dessert, whatever you want, but I know when I eat a regular pancake or regular oatmeal that doesn't have the special protein in it, my sugars drops and I just feel weak and shaky. But with this, I go a couple of hours in the morning and I'm good. So all you do is take a cup, put a big spoonful of the protein pancake and put some water in it and put it in a frying pan. You could put a little butter or grapeseed oil and just cook it up. 1, 2, 3, boop, boop, boop. It's really, really good. It doesn't taste like that nasty protein taste that they put in powdered stuff. No, this tastes really, really good. Last thing in the food category is this spiced chai tea. Now, I love Lipton's regular tea, very light. I use lemon and I use monk fruit sugar. When I do eat Chinese food, I just drink the tea plain. I just love tea with my Chinese food. They knew that. They know that's a good combo, right? With this, I don't use anything. This just tastes delicious on its own. And I always buy decaffeinated everything. Decaffeinated chai tea, decaffeinated black tea. So this is spiced chai black tea, decaffeinated, the perfect balance of bold, rich black tea and exotic spices. Ooh, but it is yummy. So it comes like that. I buy it on Amazon. I get everything delivered. I know I showed this a few years ago. See this? What do you think this is? What do you think this is? I used to have a segment that said, what is this? I know you think it's a cigarette, right? I know it could be. Make believe. But Watch this. Push that up and look what comes out. What is that? Let's say you have to polish your nails, your toenails. You have to remove your polish, but your nails are already polished and you don't want to get your polish removed from the cotton and the acetone or the gentle polish remover you're using. So when you use a cotton ball and you try to remove polish, most likely your nail polish is going to get disturbed. So with this, look at that. So with this, you push up the bottom and you see that? Those prongs? You put the cotton ball in there and it grabs on. You could smoke it. And you remove your polish like that. Nice and neat. Do your toes. Do your hands. If you're giving somebody a manicure and you don't want to ruin yours, that's how you remove it. Isn't that great? It's great. I think it's great for the toes because for the hands, we know we're going to use our remover dip. Oh, did I show you this? I got this from Target. It happens to be 100% acetone, which I like because it just, boom, done. You remove it and it's off. This is a nail polish remover, Dip It. Now what makes this special, it's not like this one with the sponge that just wiggles around and gets filthy, and which is fine also. If that's the one you could find, that's okay. But this one has a plastic. You see the plastic brushes? It has a plastic insert. And it can be taken out and you could refill it with when you finish it. And if it gets too full of nail polishes, you can put your own nail polish remover in it. And this is great. So I would say this is for your hands and this is for your toes. Or if you don't want to put your hands in there and you want to do that, it's just an alternate. Okay, so that is it for today. I can clean up some of this stuff here. I still have a ways to go, lots of stuff to show you, lots of stuff to talk to you about, lots of fun to be had. So make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, leave a little thumbs up, and everything's free. Anyway, enough of that. Let's pray for the world, cuckoo, cuckoo world, and I'm praying for you. Let's pray together, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much for being here, and thanks for watching. I love you all.
All right, Carol's kitchen section. Carol's. Okay, cooking with Carol coming up.